my name is Rachel. This is my first time at Hip Hop Don't Stop. I just had to do Hip Hop Don't Stop when I heard about it. I thought it sounded amazing. I get so much energy from all of the classes. I just had to be part of Hip Hop Don't Stop. Finally was able to come this week and I'm so glad I did it. I feel like I've improved massively as a dancer in just 3 days. My favourite part of the 3 days in general is once you nail a part of a routine. When you're doing like a popping and you've mastered a move, that's just such a great feeling, because for me that's kind of like my main challenge to get over at the moment, because I'm not used to picking up the routines and doing that sort of thing. Be you, be the best person that you can be, and enjoy being here and enjoy radiating energy of everyone else, and that's the best part of Urban Strides as a whole, and what I found from Hip Hop Don't Stop is just amazing.